Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make column chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. So as you can see, we have this nice column chart where we show the budget of specific projects in our company. So we can clearly see that the mobile app launch has the highest budget, and after that it's the product launch budget. So how you can create a column chart like this one. So let me delete this and let's start from scratch. So all you have to do is first create a data set that you want to use for your chart, and then select the data set you want to visually show on the column chart. That click on insert in the menu bar and select chart, and a default chart will be added to your spreadsheet. So Google Sheets thought that a pie chart is the best option for this data set, but we can change it here. So if you want to have a bar chart or column chart instead, you can do that here and change the chart type to a bar chart. Then we can do a stacked column chart if you want to have that. And we can also change the date range. So if you have new data, new projects, we can add that new project as well. So they will be also visible on the column chart. And then we have many options here. We can also customize the colors, the chart title, the legends, the horizontal axis, the vertical axis, the grid lines and ticks. So basically you can customize anything on the column chart you have, but once you are happy with that. So basically that's about it, how you can make and customize a column chart in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.